Hello everyone, so today's video is all about enhancing natural beauty, enhancing freckles, enhancing everything. All the products I will use you can find on Feel Unique, and I will list everything, so let's get started. I will use a little bit of my Aromatica Tea Tree Balancing Toner, which as you can see I loved these past months, and this is, like the name suggests, refreshing. I love Aromatica products. I love the ingredients. So this will just give me that refresh before applying any kind of base products. Moving on, I will actually use a primer, and I'm using my Laura Mercier Pure Canvas Primer, the protecting one. It has SPF 30, which is always good. This just makes my skin super soft and kind of plumped, and I love this effect. And I'm just applying a little bit all over. This honestly feels like some kind of skincare and primer 2-in-1, and I love this. Keeps my skin also hydrated from within, because I do have a combo skin, so it's oily on my T-zone, but it's a bit dry on the outer part of my face, and I feel like this balances everything out. The foundation I will use today is my Bare Minerals Stick Foundation, one of my favorites. I love that the texture just melts on the skin and leaves a gorgeous radiant finish, and it's honestly just a beautiful formula. So with my damp sponge, I will just apply this all over, and honestly a foundation for me just works to even out the skin tone, because yes, I do have some like blemishes and stuff, and I will correct those with concealer. And now moving on to the concealer, I'm using the NARS Soft Matte Creamy Concealer. Oh my god, I mean, I adore this little guy, and you can see that I use quite a lot of this. It's just again a very nice formula because it's creamy but very emollient, gives you lots of coverage if you need it, or you can sheer it out a little bit. My brush, and then I kind of try to take off the excess and blend it a bit more with the beauty sponge, and I take a little bit on my eyelid as well because I don't use an eye primer, so this will work as a primer as well. Really loving this skin situation, and now I always apply a little bit of powder on my T-zone, and I'm using this one and kind of pressing it underneath my eyes, my T-zone, just to take away the shine. I will take a little bit of my Huda Beauty Tantour. This is in Fair, and I will try to kind of contour and bronze a little bit my cheekbones. I usually just blend the product before applying it on the back of my hand, and then on my face, and kind of contour, bronze, everything 2-in-1. This is a really nice formula. It blends like a dream, and I like to bring it here as well. Then you will see I will add a little bit on my nose too. I don't know, I think this just looks fresh, youthful, and just ties everything together. Now moving on to the highlighter, and this is a product that adore. This is the Hollywood Beauty Wand, the Easy Highlighter from Charlotte Tilbury Spotlight. Kind of do the same thing, so I apply a little bit on the back of my hand, blend it, and then apply it. So pretty. And a little bit here. It just creates that, again, fresh, radiant, juicy skin. The face is finished. Now moving on to the eyes, I'm using the Star Gold cream shadow from Charlotte Tilbury, the Eyes to Mesmerize. This is a gorgeous, just amazing bronzy kind of shade. And I will use a little bit of this all over the eyelid, and then I will just blend it in the crease. I don't want this to go really like up, but just to stay kind of close to the crease. So I will just use a blending brush to smooth the edges in here. And I'm adding more of this in the center, but I want the pigment to be more intense. I usually like to apply a thin layer, blend it, and then apply more if I need this. To create a brownie eyeliner, I'm mixing this brown shade from the Natasha Denona Mini Nude palette with my Face Mist, and I'm kind of obtaining this liquidy eyeliner situation that transforms into a powder after it sets. Now for the eyes, I'm using the Mad Eyes mascara by Guerlain. This has a really intense black formula and I'm loving it so far. I decided that I want more fullness on my lash line, so I'm just adding a few individual lashes from Eyelure. And to finish off, I'm using a little bit of my Jelly Pop Juicy Gloss in Watermelon Pop. This is one of my favorite lip glosses. It smells really nice and I love this kind of tint of color. And that's it. This is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Everything will be listed in the description box, so check it out and have a lovely, lovely day.